As you all know that we are surrounded by the air, and let us consider it is uniform throughout. Now let us consider a source of light like this, and if we switch on this light source, then you can see ray of light is moving in straight line path. This is because whole of the medium is same. What happens if we divide this whole atmosphere into two parts, one upper part and another lower part? Let us consider upper part is filled with air and the lower part, this is filled with water. Now you can observe that light is no more straight, it is bending, and also there are two rays of light at this point. One is moving in upward direction and another is moving in downward direction. This ray which is moving in upward direction is reflected light, and this ray which is moving in downward direction is refracted light. Means two phenomena are there. One is reflection of light and another is refraction of light. Now let's draw a normal at this point of incidence, with the help of which we can measure the angles. Now we can measure the angle of this incident ray and reflected ray with this normal, and you can see it here. This is 48.8, this is 48.8, and this is reflected light, and you can see this angle is 34.4 degree. Now you can see these two angles are same. This angle is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection. Now let's try to move this light source up and down so that we can change the angle of incidence. And as I change the angle of incidence, you can see that angle of reflection as well as refraction changes. But every time angle of reflection and angle of incidence are same. You can see it here. As angle of incidence is increased, angle of refraction is also increased. You can see it here, and in this way. Now with the help of two rays, one incident ray, another is a refracted ray, we can measure the refractive index of the material. For that we need some mathematical work. Let's do that. You can see there are two medium, one is this, another is this, and three rays of light. Now what happens if we change this medium to a single medium? Now we are filling up the upper part also with the water. Then what happens? Let's see. Now you can see it is converted into a single ray. Now let's play a game of reflection. This is the mobile and I have a game reflect refract. Now let's try to play this game. Now you can see it here. Here is a man which have to destroy these two balls. Now you can see here is a mirror which reflects the light. There are different mirrors. These are the mirrors. This is yellow mirror. This will reflect only yellow light. This will reflect blue light. So let the fall the light on this. It is not working. It is not falling to anyone. So let's try to this much. This is again not destroying this ball. Now let's move more. You can see it here. It is reflected there, and this is reflected multiple times. Now you can see it here. It is reflected here, again here, and shown after multiple reflection. It is reaching to this blue ball, and it is destroying this. Wow! I have completed this. Now we have to destroy this yellow ball. Then we need yellow reflector. So we have to fall this light on yellow light, and it is destroyed. Yes, this is due to the accurate reflection. Again, if you want to try once more, we destroy this yellow ball, fall this light on this mirror, and you can see it is not passing through this blue light. So we have to first destroy this blue light. Let's try to destroy that. It is reflecting multiple times and it is destroyed. Now let's try to fall this light on this yellow mirror, and you can see it here. It is destroyed.